Be mine.
Every day is Christmas. Bad we bad Gaza, bad we bad Gaza.
Some of them there, me a tell you say the
To the AG bump circle a make everybody feel a dance, Percy a step.
The boy them start it and them a run help you one call. Roberto Carlos hardball.
And now, poetry by Gary.
XOXO, my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it. But don't take me for granted.
Breadfruit, you want breadfruit? Catch it dance to them called breadfruit. Watch it dance. Roast or fry, roast or fry. Catch it dance. Roast or fry, roast or fry. Breadfruit, you want breadfruit? Tell me if you want roast breadfruit. See it there? Now me a climb a blade.
bag back, give me some room. You don't know who you messing with. I'm not that young. Which one of y'all kicked me?
Shoot them the exit. Go right now. Damn the crazy hype, bust the crazy hype, damn the crazy hype, kill him with the hype.
No! This is Patrick! We are step on them, with the boot and we hype over.
Alright, swing your hand them, go on like your man. Then you double the out and bar. Look left, look right, swing your hand like your man. Then you double the out and bar.
This is Sparta! Fico! Far out! Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. Broke it, set it, broke it, set it, broke it, set it, broke it, set it.
I was just looking for the sports channel, Gary.
Popcorn is at it with his RPG. Jeff, do you see that RPG? That's a really big RPG. I personally don't think he can manage it. Oh no! Look like my father is about to finish Popcorn's career. Oh, he's going for it. Jeff, he's using his signature move. He's using his signature move, Jeff. Steve, I personally can see that. Oh, and Popcorn is hurt. Popcorn is hurt, Jeff. Popcorn is hurt. He's going to a corner. He's going to a corner. The unruly fans are disappointed by Popcorn's performance. Jeff, what do you think about it? I personally think Popcorn is a coward right now. He's a big coward. My father has won this one. Hold on, Jeff. Vines Cartel has entered the arena. Vines Cartel has entered the arena more than before. There is loud. I think my father should stop. Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! And it's over, people. It is over. Vines Cartel has won. Vines Cartel is on top. Mabaro, I personally agree, Steve. Mabaro was ready for the wire part. Unbelievable! It's alkaline! Alkaline, Jeff!
What was your reaction?
I laugh, you know. I said everything what people say about Vines Cartel negative. I just laugh. No.
Money from my brain, money from my brain, money from my brain. Money from my brain, money from my brain, money from my brain.
Yeah, dear dog. I'm born for this, you know. I'm man a hustler. You dead.
Yeah, great job.
Edmonton, in the street man hustle every day. I have a burn and I have a prepay. Do the max, Asian brain. Little later, be a champagne, tea that. Pinch and jail. A high grade with a bring pampain. She say me cool, me say England rain. In a me room she a sing pampain. Do a CT scan, money from my brain.